So Tuzuke Babari, Babari written by Babur. You know Babur, founder of Mughal Empire. So he came here, he conquered the northern part of our country, he defeated Qutbuddin Aibak. That time the slave dynasty was there, he established his power, and that time how he conquered our country, his victories, his battles which he fought and got victory, his good things, what he did for the people, about various regions, various cities, various things while traveling, what he came across during that time, everything is wrote in his autobiography. You know what is the difference between biography and autobiography? Yes, you should know. So he wrote about himself, about praising himself, that what he did, how many battles he fought. So this Tuzuke Babri was written by Babur, was one of the very important evidence, or you can say what very important history book or historiography written during medieval time. And through this book we are able to know, or historians are able to know, that what happened during that time, what Babur he did, understood about local economy, customs and flora and fauna. Another great writer was there, Abul Fazl, Akbarnama. You can take another example of Abul Fazl. He was there in the court of Akbar. So already we know that some people, they were designed this duty to write about kings. So Abul Fazl, he wrote Akbarnama, is very important from the viewpoint of critical historiography. His method of collecting authentic historical documents and their scrutiny is looked upon as a devoid of bias and hence realistic. अकबरनामा में अबुल फजल ने अकबर की पॉलिसीज, हिज दीन अलाई पॉलिसीज, हिज रिलीजियस पॉलिसीज, हिज जजिया कर टैक्स पॉलिसीज, एवरीथिंग हिज रोट. What type of administration Akbar used to do, what type of thinking he has in regard to kings, Rajput kings. So everything he wrote in Akbarnama. He was one of the 9 jewels in the court of Akbar. You know 9 jewels, 9 रत्न अकबर के दरबार में थे. आपको मालूम है? अगर नहीं मालूम है तो search it. You should have knowledge about this. So this type of thing. Now 2 important books, Tuzuke Babri and Akbarnama. Babur he wrote his autobiography and Abul Fazl he wrote about Akbar. So ये आपके लिस्ट में लिखना चाहिए. You are supposed to make a column to remember this chapter. Now next, this word Bakar, we already studied in our 8th standard. Bakar is an important type of historical document of medieval time. It contains eulogies of heroes and stories of historical events, battles, lives of great men. हम जैसे बोलते हैं ना, एक दूसरे को आपस में बात करते हैं, बहुत बकर बकर कर रहा है. बकर बकर मीन्स कॉन्टिन्यूस टॉकिंग, द टॉक्स, जो आपस में बात करते हैं, जो हम लोग बात करते हैं, दैट इज this word is derived from Persian language. So Bakar is an important type of historical document of medieval time. So it contains eulogies of heroes, stories, historical events, battles, lives of great men. So the people, some writers, some authors, they wrote about great kings, their deeds, what they did, what battles they won, their good work towards their subject. So they wrote in a documentation type or documents. So this was known as Bakar. तो ये आपको 1 sentence और इसमें शॉर्ट नोट में आ सकता है, तो ये आपको लर्न करना है व्हाट इज बकर. मराठी बकर्स आर ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स. नाउ इफ विल सर्च अबाउट बकर्स, विल कम अक्रॉस दिस. बकर वॉज डेवलप्ड इन महाराष्ट्र ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज. Marathi Bakars are of various types. Sabhasad Bakar was written by Krishnaji Anand Sabhasad during the reign of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. It is an important Bakar for getting information of the rule of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. देखो छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के बारे में आपको already you know, because we in 7th standard we have studied about so many things about Shivaji Maharaj. Whole book was dedicated to Shivaji Maharaj. So Krishnaji Anand Sabhasad, he was one of the writers of these Bakar, Marathi Bakar, Sabhasad Bakar. So what he wrote? He wrote about Shivaji Maharaj, his battles, his struggle against Aurangzeb, about his forts. So many things which was written by Krishnaji Anand Sabhasad. Bahusebhanchi Bhakar described the Battle of Panipat. Remember Battle of Panipat? 3 Battle of Panipat was fought. Another Bhakar entitled Panipatachi Bhakar. It is also about the same event. Holkaranchi Kaifat provide information about Holkars. You know Holkars, the royal or the Maratha generals. They used to reign during the here in Maharashtra. So it provide information about Holkars and their contribution to Maratha rule. Bakar can also be divided into various types such as biographies of kings, dynastic history, description of events, history of a sect, autobiographies regarding grievance based on mythologies and state administration by king. तो बकर में क्या लिखते थे? बकर में वही लिखा जाता था किंग्स का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, उनके बारे में, उन्होंने क्या अचीव किया, क्या उनके बैकलॉग्स थे, किसके साथ उनकी दुश्मनी थी, उनका टेरिटरी, व्हाट वाज द एरिया ऑफ देयर टेरिटरी, व्हाट दे डिड फॉर द पीपल, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाज देयर, you can say the family tree, the dynastic history, biographies, so many things it was written in Bhakar. So Bhakar, it was the events which was written. So the name, important names are Krishnaji Anant Sabhasad, and important Bhakars, Bhaisabanchi Bhakar about Battle of Panipat, Holkaranchi Kaifat about Holkars, their contribution to our Maratha rule, and types of Bhakars. तो इस पैराग्राफ में ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपके शॉर्ट नोट में आएगा, क्वेश्चन में भी है आपका. सो अगेन एंड वंस अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, रीडिंग लेसन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये मैं आपको बार बार नहीं बोलूंगी. नाउ बाय दिस टाइम यू शुड रीड योर लेसन्स डेली. अंडरस्टूड? सो लेसन रीड करो बार बार, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. दिस इज नॉट सो हार्ड कंपेयर टू फर्स्ट चैप्टर. दिस लेसन इज क्वाइट interesting and easy because ultimately, naturally, obviously belongs to our country. Now next we'll see about historiography in modern period. So medieval period, it was about the kings, the emperors, the you can say the Mughal emperors, their works and their battles, and what those things which was there in medieval time of history. So it was written during historiography of medieval time. Now come to modern period. See historiography in the modern period. By this time you can say modern history, the time when the Britishers, they came in view of trading. French, Portuguese, Dutch. These people, they were coming in the later century of 16th and early part of 17th century, when these people, they came here in view of trading, and thereafter our modern history or modern period started. By that time, the last Mughal emperor or the Mughal emperor, those who were ruling over a country, they were having some kind of trading relation with these people coming from Europe. So historiography in the modern period, in the 20th century, the Indian archaeological exploration and research started under British rule. You know that Britishers, they came here in view of trading, but what they did, last year in our history we already studied about our freedom struggle, about Britishers, what they did to our country. So British rule was started in the early 20th century. A number of ancient sites were excavated under supervision of Sir Alexander Cunningham, the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. देखो, ये चीज आपको पता है कि Indus Valley Civilization was not known to Indians, and it was, this evidence was, you can say, it was given by Britishers while making roads or while digging roads, they came across all these things. So archaeological Journal of Archaeological Survey, Sir Alexander Cunningham, he was a person behind this thing, Indus Valley Civilization, the world which was this civilization which was unknown to people. So while making road और रोड बनाते वक्त जब खुदाई चल रही थी तब लोगों को ये पता चला कि भाई नीचे इतना बड़ा सिविलाइजेशन, ठीक है. He chose mainly the sites mentioned in the Buddhist texts for the purpose. Harappan civilization was discovered during the tenure of Sir John Marshall. Because of this discovery, the antiquity of Indian history could be traced to 3rd millennium BC or even earlier. अगर एक्सकवेशन नहीं होता तो हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता था. एक्सकवेशन हुआ तभी तो पता चला कि भाई इतना बड़ा इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वहां फ्लडिश हुआ पड़ा था. ठीक है. सर जॉन मार्शल, ही वॉज अ पर्सन बिहाइंड दिस एक्सकवेशन.